This 2023 Winnebago Voyage V2730RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Winnebago is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 4, CO detector, smoke detector, LP detector, TV, external shower, spare tire kit, oven, stovetop burner, slideout, water heater, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Voyage V2730RL is 7,464 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.